On April 5, 2026, an emergency critical meeting was convened between 1 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. at the KUTYA Newlands offices. In attendance were 7 members of the Canada Politburo, including Muda, known as Touch Bomba. Sabina Mashukobda Yukopanko Inwe from Link M. My developments, Emma Poster was a root come to Link Partisan BF. Don't was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. And in Rabira Chiti, the meeting took place immediately after EDC returned from Ghana. It was called to address the deepening crisis surrounding Cape 3, which is facing massive resistance and internal fracturing. This collapse is being blamed on KUTYA's failure to manage key stakeholders' relations, leaving the Cape 3 camp in a disarray. High on the agenda was a plot to assassinate Martin Nyerere. The cartel is now looking to repeat the strategy of Douglas Munati. For decades, Munati was one of the most loyal ED boys, providing honest counsel to him. He was ultimately killed by KUTYA and the Canada cartel after he courageously confronted their rampant corruption in the attempts at state capture. While Munati was brave, he failed to realize that ED has been fully captured. It was the Mafidi Ina Seko who signed off on his assassination, with KUTYA and Muda Skillers finished the job. Now they have a new target, Martin Nyerere. Once an Ina Seko P. Aragoro, he is being targeted simply for opposing Cape 3. KUTYA has already secured the approved vote to eliminate him, Douglas Munati style. They are currently awaiting for the final sign from ED upon his return from Bikita. Meanwhile, Touch Bomba and his cold-hearted killers stand ready to execute. KUTYA become desperate and dangerous as his Cape 3 project collapses. He is threatening to take down ED's presence with it. Lieutenant Martin Nyerere is a courageous patriot who must be protected at all costs from KUTYA and the Canada cartel, who are now doubling down on their use of assassinations to maintain power. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ino kunuka kunze panamati Nyerere pangwa ine wopita busy nena udzawo ZVAITWA the Cape 3 pangwa ina sikanyaso nzwisisika kuti matax akari genuine kana kuti atumwa awa nedhizi Canada. Bina kuma section medu dzofukuru imo tuli pamusoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.